what's going to happen in the market, what's going to happen in the economy. There's a lot of uncertainty, there's plenty of fear, there's a lot of people that feel like we're overdue, including me. It's hard to say when it's going to happen because there's so many factors. Consumer confidence, what the Fed does, what's happening politically. Here's the number one thing to focus on. Cash will be king. What can you do to put a lot more cash in your life? Can you save on tax? There's major opportunities to save on tax based upon the new Trump tax plan. Whether it's learning about 199A and the pass-through deduction if you're a business owner, or whether it's looking back over the past 3 years to see if you overpaid and putting that money back in your pocket. The second thing is, if you have loans that are either high interest rates or that you haven't renegotiated, or you have underperforming assets, it's time to renegotiate, reallocate, and restructure. Restructure could mean refinance, so that you have lower payments, so that you have more cash flow support, or renegotiation is just getting better interest rates because you call the institution and either do a streamlined refinance if it's a mortgage, or just do an actual negotiation with the credit card company to lower the interest rate if you get to the right person. And then the reallocation would be, what if you have a certificate of deposit earning 3%, and at the same time you have a loan that's costing you 6%? Maybe cash that out, pay that off, and it frees up a boatload of cash flow. If you have real estate that you're not really a real estate investor, you're not sure what to do with, now would be a good time to consider selling that and liquidating that. Make money on the buy. It isn't about speculation and appreciation waiting for 30 years, 20 years, even 10 years from now. It's simply when things go down because people are illiquid, overextended, spending too much money, which we're seeing. There's so many people behind on their car payments. It's unprecedented. Now, that's during a good economy. There's more money out there in student loans right now than ever before, and people that are starting to default on that. The writing is on the wall. People with cash will be able to bail them out and make money by doing that. So how can you build up your cash? How could you build up your liquidity? Maybe move investments that are completely market dependent and create downside protection, or move it to cash. Maybe look and see if you have duplicate coverages or improper structure with your insurance, and eliminate any inconsequential insurances and save those cash dollars, and instead only insure the catastrophic. There's money that's right there in an efficient way. It's time to start building up savings, liquidity, and safety, because if you're patient enough, you'll be able to profit. Rookie investors, they're the ones that invest early, often, and always. Pros sit on the sidelines, and I'll tell you, if you're a business owner, now is going to be the time when the economy goes down to hire, because there'll be more people available. Right now, it's extraordinarily difficult to hire. It'll be the time to potentially buy out a business that has the right database, or the right type of business that allows you to expand what you're up to and advance 5, 6, 7 years simply with a smaller amount of money, because right now, mismanagement is everywhere, and people are overextended, they're spending on optimism, and ultimately they're in a fragile state. Don't be in that situation. Don't make that mistake. Build up plenty of liquidity, continue to create massive value, and be ready to pounce when the opportunity's there.